Hey everyone, my name is Chris Slate, and I was a former investment banker. And right now, I'm trying to develop a software where students can make their resumes without throwing their computers out of the window. When I worked with my friends to craft their resumes for their careers, I always ran into the same problem. They were smart people, great experiences, and absolutely chaotic formatting and weak bullets. It's always the same thing: double spaces, inconsistent spacing, weird boldings, things that just completely throw off the resume and completely trample over their experiences and basically tanks their application process. Right now, I have created a tool to take all of that pain and solve it with my platform Plots and Points. I would absolutely love to show you the product, and I'm going to walk you through it right now.
Let's start with a real resume, uploaded directly into the platform. With one click, the tool parses the structure, margins, and layout into a clean, standardized format that fits perfectly onto one page. This instantly removes the most common formatting mistakes that derail strong applications. Editing is a simple drag and drop. Easily resize margins, reorder experiences, and rearrange sections in seconds. You don't have to worry about wrestling with word spacing, bullet styles, or broken layouts. Next, the platform scans resume lines and suggests stronger versions built on industry-tested frameworks. What you did, how you did it, and measurable impact. Students can accept, edit, or customize, making the bullet truly theirs. Experiences can also be saved and reused. Instead of rebuilding resumes from scratch every internship cycle, students can build a personal library of achievements that can be dropped into any new application. When ready, the resume exports cleanly to PDF, properly aligned and perfectly formatted for AT scans, recruiter screens, and formal submissions. For advisors and faculty, there's a built-in reviews environment. You can highlight text, leave comments, add sticky notes, and send structured guidance back to the student. Students reply and revise and finalize in all one place. The goal is simple: remove resume formatting as a barrier, deliver elite quality templates instantly, and let schools focus on what matters the most: the clarity and strength of a student's accomplishments. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my video demonstration today. Please visit me at plotsandpoints.com or contact me at plotsandpointsapp@gmail.com or my LinkedIn as shown on the screen. And if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment or a like, or just send them my way.